Troubleshooting IM. In this video, we will learn general issues. There are a number of possible common issues that you might encounter when working with AWS IM. In this topic, we will discuss how you will handle significant issues that could affect your access aspect in AWS IM. One of the most important account in your AWS environment is your AWS root account. There are instances where root account access is forgotten due to personnel transition, account repository infected by malware, and sometimes just plain being forgotten. Like any other services, AWS offers a way to reset your root account password, provided that the email address provided upon initial setup of the root account is still active and valid. On the next presentation, I will show you how you can reset your password for your AWS root account and for an IM user. Okay, so I will demonstrate to you a common general issue, how to reset a lost or forgotten root and IM user password. Okay, we go to IM user. Okay, so let's say I just log out first. So go to my sign into the console, and then let's say I forgot this one. I just click cut. Let's say I forgot my password here. So this button or link will redirect you to a window wherein you have the capability to recover the password using your email address. So you need to indicate your email here and then type the characters that you've seen on image on the window. So that is D385WN, something like that. So if ever, let's say, you have access it already, and then your temporary password has been given to your email, just go to your access. Let's say, go to IM, and then go to the user. Okay, so let's say the user would be, of course, me. Go to Dale and then security credentials, and then go to manage. So on this manage, you have the capability to enable or disable the console access. And then it's forgotten, you have the capability to keep the existing password or auto-generate a password by the system, or customize a password or create your password here in the given box here. Then let's say I am Dale. Then you would like to show this one there. So require password reset if a user forgot a password and then tried to click the forget password. So you have the capability to do so here. So that's how you do reset and managing a console access. So this ends my demo.